So I'm reviewing the Home Trifold LED Lighting Cosmetic Mirror. So when you unbox it, you have the mirror section, and it's a trifold folding mirror. So you have the mirror. It has a leather-like printing on it, so you can see it has that leather texture on it. So you also have the stand in which to stand the mirror, and then of course you have your mirror manual. So we're gonna build it up now. So what you can do is you take it and you put it through here, and it snaps right in there. I have the charger, so this has a charging port. It doesn't come with the box, so all you just have to do is just make sure that you charge it up, and that's how you'll be able to use it and use the lighting. Now let me tell you about this mirror. Now this mirror, it has 3 tone of light that can come out of it. It also have different magnifying. So you do have the 2x, you have the 3x, and then you have the 1x right over here. So this area is the 1x, and this is just the main normal mirror. So 2x, 3x, 1x, and you can turn on the lights using the switch over here. And I also like that you can also turn it. At the back of the mirror is where you have the plug-in areas. So once you plug it in there, you can plug it to a box, or you can use one of the USB plugs. So if you don't want to use the charger, you can also use 3 AA batteries. So there's 3 AA batteries that you could use in this mirror to start up this mirror. And once you do that, you'll be able to use the mirror after you turn on the switch. So we're going to use the on switch. We're going to turn it on at the back, and you can see as I flip it around, you can see that the light turns on. You can press it down. It's dimmable, so you can see that is dimmable. And then you can also tap it to change the color. So it's a really nice mirror. It does what it says it does. In terms of magnifying, I'm going to show you. So this one is the normal view, you can see. And then this one here, you can see how it magnifies everything. And then this one here, you can see how it magnifies 3 times. And of course this one just magnifies 1 time. So I also like that the mirror has a groove down below where you can place things in it, whatever you're going to be using. It has 2 groove compartments, so that is really nice to have. So you can just put stuff in here that you normally use.